Hey, Team STEAM. I hope you are doing well and staying safe. So this morning, I am going to give you a quick little tutorial on how to do the next slide in your Natural Disasters Virtual Science Fair. And in doing that, I am going to be showing you the causes slide, because remember, we're truly learning about the causes and effects of nature. What is happening in nature that can cause problems for people? So remember that we are going to be presenting what we've learned on the 28th and the 29th of May. That is coming up in about a week. You have plenty of time to do a great job on this project though. Just doing one slide a day and saving a bit of time to edit them and practice showing us what you learned at the end, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and launch my web browser. I'm going to go to my Natural Disasters Science Fair slides, and I have here my working copy. So this is what I'm working on. And remember that when you open up yours, you have it in this order. You have the title slide, which we worked on the other day. We have the definition of what a natural disaster is, along with some instructions. And then you have a bunch of image files that we have provided for you. Those are for you to use to liven up your presentation, to bring some life to it, and to illustrate what it is you're really learning about. Remember that these are resources, these are links to videos to help you understand those natural disasters. I hope you've chosen a natural disaster that is interesting to you. Then I've given you a little tutorial video on doing your definition slide. What is whatever it is you're studying? In this case, mine is what is drought? And historic example, that's the one that I did yesterday. Remember, you're looking up an historic example, something that happened in history. That's where historic comes from. In history, what has happened with this crazy natural disaster? And today, we're going to focus on the causes. Remember, causes are things that make other things happen, okay? But in this case, we're talking about what caused your force of nature to happen, what caused your natural disaster to happen. And it's not like it belongs to you, but the force of nature that you are studying, okay? So what caused it to happen? We're going to look up just by typing in what causes drought to happen. Or if you're doing volcanoes, what causes volcanoes to erupt? If you're doing earthquakes, what causes an earthquake? You're going to find as many causes as you can. For some natural disasters, it's truly one cause. Others, there are several causes. And you'll remember that in my example slides, which you can look at, I'm not going to go through those right now, I have a few different causes of drought, which is the natural disaster that I researched. So there are a few listed. Also, I put a little image over here in my example. And again, I'm not going to pull that up right now. So that's what you're looking for. You are looking for what causes your natural disaster to happen. You can actually type that into a search bar, okay? If you're in Google, you can just type it into that Omni bar. If you're on Safari, you can type it right into your search window. Okay, so good luck. Look for the causes of your natural disaster, make some notes, and then in your own words, highlight this text and type out those causes for your force of nature. What makes it happen? Tomorrow we're going to look at the effects. So as you're looking at those causes, you're probably going to find some effects, what it does to people and what it does to the environment. And usually these are negative impacts, okay? Things that you don't want to happen. All right, so have a fantastic day. Read something, get some fresh air, stay safe, and enjoy your research about your natural disaster. Have a good one.